Hi, my name's John Agwunobi. I'm a pediatrician by training, but I have the privilege of serving as the Chief Health and Nutrition Officer at Herbalife Nutrition. Herbalife Nutrition is striving to try to make the world a better place and doing it through the most simple and elegant of ways. Good nutrition. It's a powerful, powerful tool. Sometimes it's tough, I know. Getting the kids to school, rushing off to work, the stress of the day. But it's critically important because the things you eat today add up to your health across your life. You know, I think too many people overcomplicate nutrition. They think it's a whole series of scientific decisions that need to be made. It's actually pretty simple. Balance. It's important that you have a lifestyle that is balanced and that it include all of the nutrients that you need to both replenish and to build. Lots of people today are drinking protein shakes, and I love protein, but most of those shakes aren't full meal replacements. I wake up and I make myself a delicious Herbalife Nutrition shake. Usually banana caramel, but on occasion chocolate, because I like to change things up. Herbalife Nutrition Formula 1 meal replacement shakes contain all of the nutrients that you would have gotten from an absolutely beautiful, well-balanced meal. The protein, the carbohydrates, the fats, the vitamins, all selected to support weight management in a healthy way. They have nutrient density, a concept that many people don't quite understand. For every calorie that you receive in one of those shakes, you're loaded up with healthy nutrition. In Formula 1, we use soy protein isolate. It's a great source of high quality protein. Plant-based, produced on farms that we monitor and visit, our soy provides you all of the protein nutrients that you might need. We build our products in a way that allows you to customize the product to your unique need. Whether it's a shake or one of our other nutritious products, you can add fruit, you can add vegetables, you can customize the product to meet your needs on any given day. What I love about Herbalife Nutrition is it starts with the premise that everything we sell, everything that we make, everything that we deliver for you needs to start with quality. Whether it's how we source the ingredients on the farm, to how we make the product, or even to how we support you in its use. Herbalife Nutrition is a company dedicated in its entirety to improving the nutrition of its customers. We're in more than 90 countries and we're touching lives in every single one.